Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola, and in today's video I'll be walking you through how you can literally make $50 from the comfort of your home. So all you need right now to start making this money is your smartphone and an internet connection. So if that is something that really interests you, make sure you watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video, because in this video I'll be literally showing you guys the website that literally paid me the $50 you guys are seeing right here on my screen. I'll also be walking you through step by step how I literally made the money. So right now, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description. It's going to be the first link I'm going to be sitting down in the description. And by the way, you can also check out the link to this website in the pinned comment section. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you right here to the website. You can see right here, this is how the website literally looks like. So this is what the website that literally paid me the $50 you guys saw on my screen earlier. So once you're on this website, basically all you need right now to start making this money right now is to test out app, play games, and fill out surveys. So these are the things you need to do right here on this website in order for you to get paid. So these are the things I did in order for me to get paid, and that was the money you guys saw earlier. That was the money I showed you guys earlier at the beginning of this video. So that was the things I did in order to get paid. All I just did is to test out our play games and fill out some simple surveys and also watch videos. So you are going to get paid by doing that on this website. So in case you're later finding the video helpful or valuable, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome video. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to create an account on this app right now. And by the way, you can also download the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. The app is available on both devices, so you could download the app on your smartphone right here. So once you are done downloading the app right now, you need to create an account. So in order to create an account right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to click on this menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar, it's going to take you to a place where you'll be asked to register. You just click on the registration button. So once you click on the registration button, you'll be asked to fill out your email address, fill out a password, that is to create a password for yourself, and you'll be asked to put in your legal name, that is your first name, your last name. So once you're done filling out this information, an email address is going to be sent to your email. So in confirmation email address is going to be sent to your email. So guys, basically this is how the confirmation email looks like. So you'll be asked to verify your account right here. Just click on the verify button. So once you click on the verify button, it's going to take you straight into your account. So it's going to be logging you straight into your account straight up. So you're going to be asked to log in into your account. So once you're done logging into your account, because I just created this account recently, like you see right here, I got 0 balance. So I created this account for the purpose of the tutorial. So this wasn't my main account. This was just a tutorial for the tutorial. So once you're done creating your account, basically first thing you need to do right now is to set up your profile and also verify your account so that you'll be able to receive payment once you already reach the minimum threshold. And by the way, the minimum threshold on this website is just $10. So in order for you to verify your account, you need to click on the menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar, you'll be able to verify your account. It's going to take you to a place where you'll be able to verify your account. So all you need right now is to scroll down right now and go to the settings. You're going to be seeing the settings bar. So once you click on the settings bar, it's going to take you to a place right here. So you'll be able to fill out your info, that's your account info, like your email address and all of that. So all you need right now is to come over to this billing section. That's the most important thing right here. So once you come over to the billing section, this is where you're going to be filling out your first name, your last name, your street, your phone number, your zip code. And by the way, you could actually get your zip code from Google. Just go to Google right here and type in your zip code. For example, right now I live in Lagos, so I don't know where you live. So if you're in anywhere in the world, and by the way, this app is going to be working anywhere in the world. If you're in Ghana, if you're in the US, you're in the UK, you're in Canada, Australia, whatever, just type in your zip code right here. So for me right here, I'm in Lagos. I'll be typing in Lagos zip code. Just type in Lagos zip code or Lagos postal code, either the two. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out the zip code. All you need right now is to just copy the zip code. So I'll be copying the zip code right here. So once you are done, just click on the copy text, then head over to the website right here to literally paste in your zip code. So you're gonna see the option right here. So all you need right now is to paste in your zip code. And by the way, guys, I want you guys to please fill out your information correctly, so that once you already reach the minimum threshold, you'll be able to cash out your earnings, so that you won't be having issue later in withdrawing your earnings. So you need to put out your first name. So this name must match with the name on your government issued ID card, maybe like your NIN, your voter's card, your driving license. So this name must match. So the name you're going to be putting right here, don't just put in a random name right here. So once you're done with that, you'll be able to select the currency you want to get paid. That's the reason why I would love this website. So you could either choose in order to get paid in US dollars, Australian dollars, British pounds, Canada dollars, Europe, whatever currency you are, whatever currency you want, you could choose the currency you want to get paid. And by the way, they can also pay you in Naira straight into your bank account. As once you're done filling out the necessary details right now, we're going to be moving up to the step 2, which is to start earning. In order for you to start earning, all you need right now is to click on the menu bar. You're going to see the menu bar right here. So this is the menu bar. So click on this end button right here. So once you click on this end button, it's going to take you to the earning page. And by the way, there are 4 ways you could literally earn money on this website. So the number 1 way is to watch videos. The second way is to play games. The third way is to test out apps and give out reviews. And also you can also complete some little surveys on this website right here in order for you to make money online. So you could literally see right here, you could literally play games, you could earn money by filling out surveys, watching videos, online shoppings, and micro tasks. So this micro task is where you could earn by just giving out apps like website reviews. And by the way, it's not necessary for you to download the app on your phone. You could just write a good comment about them, just give them some review. Just click on this tax earning. So once you click on this tax sections, it's gonna take you to a place where you could test out apps. So you can see right here, this job is gonna pay you $0.15 to complete the job. So all you need right now is to just click on this place right here. So it's gonna take you to a place where you're going to be asked to give a review to an app. And by the way, you need to make sure you read the instruction carefully. So they said you should install the games on your phone, so you're going to be giving this game a free back. And by the way, it's not necessary for you to literally install the game on your phone. So you just click on the link right here. It's going to take you to the Play Store to just write a review, a free back about the app. So once you're done doing that, all you need right now is to just make a screenshot of the review. Then you could attach your file right here. Just attach the screenshots. So you could try attach the file right here. So once you attach the file right here, you'll be able to submit the tax. So I'm gonna get approved. So it's just simple thing. So that is just how you could literally make money on this website. So you guys could just go through the earning page and choose the one you want to start making money with. If you want to start filling out surveys to get paid, if you want to start playing games, you could get paid by doing that. So you could literally just go through the menu, the earning tab. So once you're already done doing this, once you manage to reach the threshold of $10, you'll be able to withdraw your money into your bank account. So you'll be able to withdraw your money into your bank account, or you can also withdraw your money into your PayPal account, your Payoneer account. And this app literally give you basic different kind of payment method you could use to withdraw your earnings on this website. And like I told you earlier, that this app also give you the ability to withdraw your money in any kind of currency. If you want to withdraw your money in pounds, you want to withdraw your money in naira, in USD, in whatever currency you want, you prefer, this app is going to give you the ability to do that. So that's the amazing features I love about this app. So I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you know you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. And also, if you feel like buying me a coffee to support me, the link is going to be down in the description. So guys, don't just watch the video and go to sleep without not implementing what I taught you in the video. So in order for you to make money on this website, you need to implement all the things I taught you in the video. So you could literally come over and watch this video like twice or 3 times in order to understand what I taught you guys in the video. So basically, you need to put in the work right here in order for you to start making money on this website. And guys, I know this site is going to pay you like little cash, but with time it's going to add up. And once it add up, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings on the website. So to my own opinion, this website can make you rich. It could only fetch you some little amount of money from the site. So if you want to learn the best method, in my own opinion, of making money online, I would advise you check out the video pop right here on your screen right now to go check out my best side hustle you could literally start up right now that's going to earn you some cool cash.